Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you can be notified anytime I do a live stream. All right, that said, these waffles were forged by Lucifer himself, and that's why we have Lucifer's Waffles. All right, to a mixing bowl, you want to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of sugar. Then you want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to add a tablespoon of baking powder, and make sure it's baking powder, not baking soda, or trust me, you will know the difference. And then you want to give this a quick mix, and you want to make a well in the dry ingredients. Okay, you can't really see it, but I'm whipping together a 1/4 cup of veggie oil and 2 egg yolks. You want to separate 2 eggs for this recipe, but do not throw away the whites. You'll need them. Then you want to add that to the batter, and then you want to add a 1.25 cups of milk combined with a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Then, remember those eggs whites I mentioned? Well, we're going to get to them in a minute. I'm going to give this just a quick stir to get everything to combine. And then you want to beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. You'll know it when you see it. Kind of becomes almost like whipped cream. And then you want to spoon that in a bit at a time to the waffle batter till you have everything combined. All right, let's go heat up a waffle iron and make these waffles. And the batter should look a little bit something like this when you're done. I just decided to go on high for about 30 seconds before I killed it. Okie dokie. We have our waffle iron heated up. We're going to add some of our batter, and literally the machine is going to do the rest. Close it up, and a couple of minutes, we'll have some waffles. All right, our waffles are ready to go. You can serve them with whatever you like. I just decided a little bit of butter and a drizzling of everyone's favorite maple syrup. That's a nice drizzle. And that's Lucifer's Waffles. Done.